Welcome to dividing fractions. Okay, so take a look at this question over here. Now, you may be tempted to multiply by the reciprocal if you've already covered dividing fractions, but there's an easier way to do this. So let's take a look at this. 2 over 4 divided by 1 over 4. So let's draw this out. 2 over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2 over 4. Let me do this in red. So this is 1 over 4, and this is 2 over 4, okay? Now you're dividing it by 1 over 4, meaning how many 1 over 4s fit in 2 over 4, okay? So let's look at 1 over 4. 1, 2, 3. This is 1 over 4. Now how many of these fit into 2 over 4? Okay, so it fits in once and it fits in twice. Okay, so then this means that 2 over 4 divided by 1 over 4 equals 2, because 1 over 4 fits into 2 over 4 2 times. Just like if we were to do 3 divided by, not 3 divided by 2, let's go 6 divided by 2, because it equals 3, because 2 fits in 6 3 times. Make sense? Okay, just erase that. Okay, so 2 over 4 divided by 1 over 4 equals 2. Now, let's use the same logic to solve 2 over 135 divided by 16 over 135. So if we were to take a look at this over here, 2 over 4 divided by 1 over 4 is 2. 2 over 5 divided by 1 over 5 is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So if you can see the trend here, the denominator doesn't really matter. We're only looking at the numerators for this case, if the denominators are the same, okay? So here the denominators are both 135, so then we can just rewrite this as 2 over 16, which is 1 over 8, okay? What I did here was, if it was like 2 over 2 divided by 16 over 2, it would be 2 divided by 16, which is 2 over 16, which is 1 over 8. So it would be the same no matter what the denominator is. Okay? So then our answer here is 1 over 8. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. I'm going to show you a different strategy for this one. So there's this thing where if you multiply both of these by the reciprocal. Okay, I'll show it to you. Actually, it's hard to explain with words. So we have 4 over 9 divided by 11 over 16. Now, what we can do is we can multiply this by 16 over 11. Multiply both sides by 16 over 11. This is called the reciprocal of 11 over 16. So on this side, it cancels out. And on this side, we're left with, so this becomes 1 and 1. So this becomes 16 over 11 times 4 over 9 divided by 1, and that doesn't really matter because anything divided by 1 is just the same number. So 16 over 11 times 4 over 9 becomes 16 times 4 over 11 times 9, which is 64 over 99, because 16 times 4 is 24, 64. Okay? So you're left with 64 over 99. Okay, let's take a look at this question. So I will use this the second method for this one, the multiplying by the reciprocal. So this becomes 36 over 45 divided by 18 over 35 multiplied by 35 over 18 multiplied by 35 over 18. this cancels, and then you're left with equals 35 times 36 over 18 times 45. Okay, so now you might notice that this is really complicated. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning. We don't want to do something that complicated. Okay, so 36 over 45 reduces. This becomes 4 over 5 because 36 divided by 9 equals 4, and 45 divided by 9 equals 5. Okay, so we're left with 4 over 5 divided by 18 over 35. Now we can multiply by the reciprocal on both sides. This cancels, multiplied by 35 over 18, and this becomes 35 over 18 multiplied by 4 over 5, which is 35 times 4 over 18 times 5. And now 35, you can multiply that by 4, becomes 20, and then 140, and 18 multiplied by 5 is 40, 90, okay, and this becomes let me go closer. This becomes 140 over 90, which is 14 over 9. Okay? Now let's take a look at this question. 1 3 over 5 divided by 3 4 over 7. So, first we're going to convert this into improper fractions. This becomes 5 over 5 plus 3 over 5 divided by 3 times 7 over 7 plus 4 over 7, which is 8 over 5 divided by 21 over 7 plus 4 over 7, which is 8 over 5 divided by 25 over 7. Okay, let me go closer. 25 over 7. Now you can multiply by the reciprocal. This cancels, times 7 over 25. And this becomes 7 times 8 over 25 times 5, which is 56 over 25 multiplied by 5 is 125. 56 over 125. That's your answer. Okay? I think there's one more question. 6 divided by 1 over 3. Okay, so for this one, we'll go back to the first method. So this equals 6 times 3 over 3 divided by 1 over 3, which is 18 over 3 divided by 1 over 3. Now, if it was 18 over 4 divided by 1 over 4, we would just take the numerators and it would become 18 over 1. Okay? If it was 18 over 5 divided by 1 over 5, we would just take the numerators, it would become 18 over 1. So for this one, we'll just take the numerators and it becomes 18 over 1. And that's our answer. Okay? That was dividing fractions.